Hey there, it's Hannah from WTI. This is one of the coolest decorations I have ever seen.
This wooden deer head from HHMKK is so cool. It hangs up on your wall and it has these two little spots in the top where antlers would be, where you can choose whatever you want to make antlers out of. So you can use things like old dried flowers, branches, eucalyptus, anything. It is so cool. I have this really great gallery wall and I just love putting super unique vintage looking pieces on this wall that are just going to have this like texture and fun, and everything about this wooden deer head is incredible. It is hand carved out of 100% natural walnut wood, so no two heads will be alike, which just makes the best, most unique gift.
I am so thrilled to have this be a part of my gallery wall, and I just love how unique this is. And I think it is made with the highest quality. It is absolutely gorgeous. I feel so fortunate to have it in my room, and I think that you should get one for your home too. And that is my point of view.